So I'll just show you quickly how easy it is to swap implements on your front end loader. Whether you're going from a bucket to forks or back again, whatever it is, we'll just cover that quickly. Really very, very simple. Just reach in and grab the handle here, and what you're doing is just releasing your lower locking pin. So pull that out till it latches in place, and then the rest is done from the cab. So once you're back in the cab, it's simply a matter of lowering the implement to the floor and then tilting your headstock away. And that should be free of the hooks. And then you just back away from the implement. So we'll come in and you're looking for those orange hooks on the bucket. Bit of trial and error. That should be good. Got that one. Looks like I've got that one. And we lift the bucket slightly, crowd it back, and that's locked into place. So we'll jump out of the cab and just check that it's all locked in place. Yep. So that lever is over, those pins are in place, we're good to go. All done. Very simple and easy.